Welcome back everyone. Today we are diving into a game-changing topic for how dropshipping entrepreneurs in South Africa. If you're looking to streamline your business operations, boost efficiency, and scale up without breaking a sweat, this video is for you. Running a dropshipping business means selling products without holding any inventory, but it can get pretty complex when you're handling orders, updating inventory, managing suppliers, and providing customer support all at once. That's where automation steps in to save the day. So what exactly is automation in dropshipping? Automation in dropshipping involves using technology to perform tasks automatically, reducing the need for manual intervention. This can significantly increase efficiency, save time, and reduce errors. Now let's explore the key benefits of automating your dropshipping business in South Africa. 1. Automating product sourcing and inventory management. Automation tools like Obello and Dropify are lifesavers. They help you find products to sell and connect you with suppliers who can fulfill orders. This means no more hours spent searching for products or manually contacting suppliers. These tools track orders, update inventory in real time, and even communicate with suppliers automatically, saving you time and reducing risk of errors. Real-time inventory monitoring ensures you never run out of popular products, and streamlined procurement processes save money and ensure timely deliveries. 2. Automating order processing and fulfillment. Tools like Zapier and Order Metrics can automate various aspects of this process. Set up rules and workflows to order automatically, handle orders automatically, route orders directly to suppliers, generate shipping labels, and provide tracking updates. This means faster processing, fewer errors, and happier customers. With automation, you can focus on growing your business instead of getting bogged down in manual tasks. 3. Automating customer service and support. Customer service is crucial, but it can be time-consuming. Enter chatbots and virtual assistants. These tools provide 24/7 support, answer common questions, assist with orders, and send order status updates. Automating customer service tasks ensures timely and efficient communication, improving overall customer satisfaction. 4. Automating marketing and sales funnel. Marketing your dropshipping products effectively can be a game changer. Tools like MailChimp and Drip automate your email campaigns, send target emails without manual effort. Automate abandoned cart recovery, upselling, and customer retention campaigns for more personalized and effective marketing efforts. Automation helps you reach the right customers with the right messages and boost your conversion rates and sales. 5. Automating accounting and financial management. Managing finances doesn't have to be overwhelming. Softwares like QuickBooks and Xero can automate invoicing, expense tracking, and tax compliance. Accurate financing report and streamlined bookkeeping help you make informed business decisions and stay on top of your finances. Automating accounting processes means more time for strategic planning and growth. 6. Integrating automation tools and platforms. Integration is key. Platforms like Zyper, Integromat, and IFTTT connect different apps, automating repetitive tasks and streamlining your workflow. A cohesive automation ecosystem saves time, reduces errors, and helps you scale efficiently. 7. Automating with local considerations. In South Africa, consider local payment gateways and shipping carriers. Automation solutions that integrate with local services ensure smooth transactions and timely deliveries. Local automation provides better customer experience with faster order processing and accurate shipping rates. Automating your dropshipping business in South Africa is crucial for success. Saves time, reduces errors, and helps you scale efficiently. Embrace automation to set your business up for long-term success. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and insights. Thank you for watching and happy dropshipping.